I'm Matt Willis, Marin County Public Health Officer, with an update on our COVID-19 response. Today, Governor Newsom announced Marin County has advanced to Tier 3, or orange status, in the state blueprint for a safer economy. Our cases have fallen to about 10 new cases per day, or 4 per 100,000, less than half of where we were in September. Now, less than 2 out of every 100 people tested are infected. That's the lowest percent positivity we've seen at any point. There are 3 COVID-19 patients in Marin hospitals today, the lowest number since May, and there are no outbreaks and no active cases among residents of long-term care facilities. Another key success is that the case rate in the canal area of San Rafael is about 10 times lower than they were at the highest point in the outbreak in that community. Flattening the curve in the canal was largely due to strong intersector collaboration that brought resources for income support, isolation and quarantine, testing, bilingual contact tracing, masks, and community-led outreach. Over half of the residents of the entire canal area have been tested at least once, and many more than once. As Marin moves into Tier 3, the primary changes allowed under the state order are the following. Allowed indoors at full capacity are retail businesses, indoor malls, libraries, and office space, although continued telework is strongly encouraged for those who can. Allowed indoors at 50% capacity are restaurants, places of worship, and movie theaters. Allowed indoors at 25% capacity are gyms, fitness centers, which now includes indoor pools. And bars and breweries are allowed outdoors. It's important to note that these steps are happening while we work to get our students back into classrooms. Almost half of Marin schools are open to some form of classroom-based learning. These steps to moving forward into opening our businesses are signs of progress, but these freedoms also potentially threaten our further progress and our priority of getting kids back into school. If we see this as a sign we can relax, we will quickly lose the progress we've made. Most of the nation is seeing more cases every day, as are many counties around us. This is partly due to the pandemic fatigue we're all feeling. We're getting tired of holding the line, of keeping our distance, and limiting our mobility and limiting our social interactions. You'll see that the title of our order has changed from the shelter-in-place order to a reducing risk order. This is an important sign that as we gain more freedom, it's less about restrictive policies and more about individual choice. It's important to rethink the traditions to gather during the holidays, especially as flu season arrives. We'll be issuing guidance for safer holiday gatherings next week. Our collective actions over the next few weeks will decide if we can retain this level of reopening. We've all made sacrifices to get in front of this pandemic in Marin, and we still have months ahead of us. Instead of giving in to pandemic fatigue, it's vital to keep our pandemic stamina. We've seen what we can do when we band together around a common goal. It's hard to know whether or how to celebrate success during an ongoing pandemic, especially when the threat is still so present. At the same time, it's important to acknowledge how far we've come since July, when our case counts peaked. This progress is due to your work together. Please continue to do your part so we can hold on to all we've achieved.